Hey, this is Doug Giles with Billiards of New Orleans. As you can see, I'm busy revamping my website. And one of the things that I want to do is showcase the work that you guys do following the videos that I have for pool table repair. So, what I'd like for you guys to start doing, and I'm going to go ahead and start setting up the website, but what I'd like for you guys to do is start submitting to me before, during, and after shots of your pool tables, and give me a little bit of background because I'd like to start showcasing your work that you've done using my tutorials. So I think this can be a really good outlet for you guys to show off what you've done. And, you know, hey, it gives content for my website too. Don't forget, I also sell products on my website for doing pool table repair, all of your cloth, rubber, rail facings, pockets, everything that you'd need to do the work on your pool table. So check out the website, submit your, give me your submissions, and you know, let's see what you guys can do. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. As always, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.